I watched him climb that trail with such ease, it made me wonder what he was doing differently. He credited his morning ginger blend. It's not a magic trick. He just seems to have this deep, reservoir-like capacity to keep going. He isn't rushing, just moving with a steady confidence that lasts from the start of the hike until we are finally back at the car.